Hey guys, before we go over and do a deep dive on some of these so far so good performance numbers, let's go ahead and get this out the way. Guys, this is J6.5 with OPKEE Investors, and we specialize in trade automation, research, and development. Bottom line is we provide algo trading solutions for small accounts, which can be scaled into larger accounts. More importantly, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It's not financial advice. It's not trading advice. It's not investment advice. It's not a recommendation to buy, sell, trade, use, or copy any of these trading systems that we have. Forex and any leverage trading involves risk, including possible loss of capital. These back tests that you see are totally hypothetical, and even the live test results and tracking that we give you do not predict future results. Let's take a look at this. Guys, inside of our free Skool group, you have access to tracking any of our algos that we have on our public profile every day, every minute, in real time with real money. Now, one thing I do want to point out, now this is our public profile. These are things that we put in place for our members to track the results of any of these algorithms that they could be trade copying for us. And it's pretty amazing. So these, of course, are tested and forward tested with small accounts. This is one of our primaries, the OPKEE Core Gold EA or algorithm, and we started testing that with $200. This will give you an idea of where we are now. The gain is 102%, and I think this one started in like November, but I want to go ahead and show you this particular one in detail. Here we are. You see that it is a real account. Let's see. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. We did start this at the end of September, the 1st of October. So we have a little history on this. But again, guys, this is better than any of my FOMO crypto results so far. So good. Now, this is another thing that I want you guys to look at. The drawdown is only 15%. 15% drawdown on the balance was only 6%, pretty close to 6%. So far, so good on this one. Now, why did we test this with $200? We tested it with $200 real money just to see how it reacts in the real market, how it handles the stress of the tariffs. And as you can tell, this started September 23rd, so this took us through some of the tariff consequences, the war consequences, the market manipulation, and yet it still performed in such a way that it yielded us a gain of 100, over 100%. So far, so good on that. Now, as you start tracking us, before that you even consider trade copying any of this stuff, you can go into the ShowMyTrades, the public platform. I'm trying to find something here, guys. Oh yeah, here's the calendar, and the calendar is going to even break it down by day. And you'll see on some days this particular algorithm never trades on Fridays, and it doesn't trade every day, as you can tell here. But when it does trade, it's going to break down and tell you how many trades and what the results of those trades were. And the only thing I can say is so far so good. This was June. If we go to May, it's going to show you the same thing. May was pretty sparse. Even in April. April was one of those good months. It's one of those outlier months. And you can see this was an 11% month. Okay. So it's very, very detailed, very, very transparent. Now, if you are a trader and you've traded EAs before, or you've even done trade copying before, and you've had an issue with people being very, very transparent, and there's no way that you can know the probability because they don't show you past results. And remember, past results isn't always indicative of future results. Even present results aren't indicative of future results because anything can happen at any time. But at least it gives you some level of probability on how it reacted in certain market conditions. So go ahead and join our free Skool group. track us. If you like what you see, you'll have the opportunity to trial at least a couple that will offer before you decide to go all in and trade copy these accounts on your primary accounts. Go out there, guys, and make it happen.